Hi there, Doug Stewart with IT Creations with the GeForce RTX 5070 Ti 16GB Ventus 3 OC GPU by MSI. This GPU is based on NVIDIA's GeForce 5070 12GB card, just with a fatter, more bombastic look. NVIDIA so far doesn't have a Founders Edition of this card. From the outside of the box, you can see all these like little channels in relief. Looks kind of cool. If you like our channel, hit that subscribe button, or hold off and let your dissatisfaction be known in the comment section below. I'll tell you straight up, we will be benchmarking this card, but in a later video. Right now, we're taking a quick look. Let's open it up. If this was my birthday or something, I might just tear the crap out of this box, but it's not. This particular card is by MSI. These cards are available from a number of different add-on card providers. MSI is an NVIDIA partner, and this card does use the guts developed by NVIDIA. These cards are available from a number of different manufacturers. Oh, how do I get this thing open? Let's see. Ah, here we go. Check this out. Take the essentials. This card can be used by designers and artists for creative applications and gaming with support for DirectX 12 Ultimate. There are 3 fans on this card, big ones, most assuredly to keep your system from melting down from excessive gameplay. Along with a gigantic 3-fan triple-wide card, a few documents, including the all-important warranty card that probably absolves the company from liability from damage caused from use, and directions for placing the card in your system. There's also this little telescoping MSI branded support stand to prop your card up a bit and not place undue stress on the PCI slot. It's like a little bottle jack for your car. With the heft of this card, you're going to need it. That assumes the GPU will fit given the size. Also included is a 16-pin power cable, as this GPU does consume up to 300 watts of juice. A minimum system PSU of up to 750 watts is recommended. That power cable connects to a recessed slot on the side of the system, which is then plugged into the system board. A definite improvement from just mounting the connection flush on the side of the card. This card and all the other 50 series cards use a PCI 5.0 by 16 slot for full performance. This card has a reinforced metallic skeleton, thicker copper plate in the printed circuit board, and a bunch of cooling fins and cooling pipes that converge in the center of a nickel-plated copper base plate. There is a large vent in the back to allow for the free flow of that GDDR7 scented air. But you can see the cooling fins right between the fins right there. Do you see that? Huh. Another improvement. GDDR7 memory on these new GPUs, also 8,960 CUDA cores, 5th gen tensor cores, 4th gen ray tracing cores, and next generation encoders and decoders. You can power up to 4 monitors using the 3 DisplayPort 2.1B ports and the HDMI port. Maximum resolution is listed at 8K or 7,680 by 4,320 pixels. When you look at the comparison chart provided by NVIDIA, you can see that it really is just a short step down from the NVIDIA RTX 5080 GPU with the 5080 and the 5070 Ti at 16 gigabytes each, whereas the RTX 5070 without the Ti is outfitted with only a paltry 12 gigabytes of GDDR7 memory. In fact, for NVIDIA CUDA cores, AI tops or 1 trillion operations per second, and memory bandwidth, the 5080 and the 5070 Ti are much closer in performance than the 5070 Ti to the basic 5070. That said, the RTX 5090 clearly blows the doors off of the other 50 series cards by a large factor. You can do some overclocking with this card. Boost is listed at 2,482 MHz with extreme performance at 2,497 MHz. That last, which doesn't seem like a huge improvement over the general boost, is available through the MSI Center software for optimizing your GPU performance. There's also Afterburner for more tweaks to performance. That's about it for now, but if you are interested in seeing the benchmarks on the GeForce RTX 5070 Ti 16GB Ventus 3 OC GPU by MSI, subscribe to our channel for notification when we post that video. If you're looking for this GPU or others, then check out itcreations.com. I placed a few links in the description below, or you can use that link right there. Until next time, I'm Doug Stewart with IT Creations, and thanks for watching. Do you think they'll miss this if I take it with me?